Put it on YouTube. Found the key. Alright, hang on. I don't want to disconnect because I stop it, it should just stop it. Procedure aborted. Let's see. Did it charge me a token? That's a good question, you know? Hold on. Let's see. So if I start the car, oh shit, it's not starting. It's like not, yeah, it's like in between state now. Yeah, the buttons are working again. Woo! Okay. Am I pressing this? Okay, good. Okay, now I can just use my other machine then to do the programming. All right, let's add the new one in. So this is the working key. And we're gonna add in our key. Just read our VIN because we have a key to turn on. We're doing Toyota. Age is fine. Yeah, now it needs connection. I'm on it. Okay, we got the Wi-Fi on. Okay.
Andamos bien.
And turn that off. Camry, USA. Smart key. Control unit. Keyless system. CAN 1. Add smart key. No, I do not. It's nice that she has a ring around it, so I don't have to try to figure out which is what. Smart key to be learned. Usually beeps twice, but I don't hear it.